Good. So I want Saksham read the first question from the exercise 17A. This is the construction of quadrilateral. The chapter is construction of quadrilateral. Good. So now Shraddha, read. अभी क्वेश्चन पढ़ लिया है तो you tell me कि how many parts of quadrilateral is given here? How many parts of quadrilateral is given here? Our period is very short. So, Shivani, this question passed to you. How many parts of a quadrilateral is given here? Very nice. Good. And the quadrilateral is ABCD. So, every time we have to make a rough. First, we make a rough. See here. And now, ABCD, you can mark like any. कोई जरूरत नहीं है कि वो हमारे according to scale होगा. This is a rough figure. So, this is a quadrilateral A, B, C, and D. Now there is four side and one DA. One diagonal is there. Yes. Now this is AC. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So 5 things are given in this question to draw this quadrilateral. So it is very easy. Starting question, obviously, it is the first question, so it is very easy. Now you see, this is SSS. किसी को मालूम है what is SSS? क्या होता है? Yes, it is side sides. Exactly, it is. हाँ तो अब ये याद रखो कि this is a side construction property. In this we have to use the sides only. There is no angle. Okay. Now everyone start drawing. Take out a scale. Take out a scale, pencil, compass. Now only the three things. Take out a scale, pencil, and a compass. Take a, everyone सभी ने ले लिया है? Good. First we draw a line segment AC of length 5 centimeter. You all can draw AC 5 centimeter. Done? Riya? रिया समझ आ रहा है कि नहीं? ओके ओके कोई बात नहीं ज्वाइन हो जाएगी. Oh, Riya, now see, the rough figure is clear to you. And now this is, AC is what? How many? Oh, sorry. 8, AC is 8 centimeters, sorry. You can draw 8 centimeters, sorry, according to the scale that is given in the book. Oh, मैंने 5 वहां से पढ़ लिया. It is 8 centimeters. And we have to write here also 8 centimeters. Now everyone must have to draw 8 centimeter. Then put a pencil and a compass and get ready to draw an arc. सबको आर्क बनाना आता है? Good. Very nice. Now put a compass at A. नहीं, first you take a basically wait. मैं ये लिख देता हूँ मेरे को क्योंकि confusion हो जाएगा फिर. Now the AB is 4.2 centimeter, BC is 6 centimeter, and now CD is 5.2 centimeter and DA is 5 centimeter. Okay. So now we have 2 points A and C. Okay. You can see in your rough figure also. There is A and C, and now AD and CD is there. So we take a radius of 5 centimeter. What? We take a radius of 5 centimeter in our compass and place a compass like this and draw an arc like this. ठीक है? Take a radius of 5 centimeter, then put a compass at A and make a arc like this. सी मैं कोशिश करता हूं कि मेरे पेन से हो जाए. सी लाइक दिस. सपोज ये आर्क लगा दिया मैंने. सबको दिख रहा है? इज इट विजिबल? एंड नाउ टेक अ रेडियस ऑफ 5.2. 5.2. Now take a radius of 5.2 and put a compass at C and cut the previous arc. ये ऐसे दिख रहा है कटा. See, now is it visible? तुम्हारा अपना अपना अकॉर्डिंग टू रेडियस कटेगा. यहां मत देखना, बस फिगर मेरे जैसा होगा. सो फर्स्ट टेक अ रेडियस ऑफ 5.2, पुट अ कंपास एट C एंड कट द प्रीवियस आर्क. सबका हो गया? नाउ ज्वाइन. उसे मिला दो. मिला दिया? Good. Now see, for point B, we take a radius from A is 4.2. Again, now you open your compass and take a radius of 4.2 with the help of scale. Now take a radius of 4.2 in your compass and put your compass at point A, and then mark an arc that is equal to 4.2 centimeter with a distance of 4.2 centimeter. Sorry. Now see, here is the arc. See, this is 5 centimeter and this is 5.2 centimeter. Done. A से आर्क लग गया सबका? श्रद्धा, ए से आर्क लगा? Good. Now from BC or CB, everyone open or everyone take a radius of 6 centimeter with the help of a scale. With the help of a scale, everyone take a radius of 6 centimeter. After taking a radius of 6 centimeter in your compass, put the compass at point C and cut the previous arc which was drawn from A to locate B. अब इसको इस तरीके से काट देंगे. कट गया? And now you can join. Now sorry, मेरी line टेढ़ी क्यों बन रही है? Now this is B and now everyone must join like this. Or whatever the value we have, we can write. Done? सबका बन गया? Very nice. Now अब हम लिख देंगे the required. Very good. Now everyone must write the last, because in this question we are not writing the steps. We only can draw. First we draw, and in some questions we can. I think the steps are not required, but I will tell you in some questions which are difficult. The required quadrilateral ABCD is constructed. ठीक है, क्लियर? कोई डाउट है अभी? प्लीज, जिसको भी कोई डाउट है तो वो पूछे मुझसे, बिकॉज आई वॉन्ट टू नो अबाउट द डाउट. Now, how many students in class now? Manjeet? Manjeet is there or not? सुनाई नहीं दे रहा है. ओके, ठीक है. तो अभी नाउ, अभी सबको क्लियर है ये क्वेश्चन? गुड. सो द क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, रीड द क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, रिया. Read the question number 2, please. Wait. Stop. Here is not parallelogram, it is a quadrilateral. It is exercise 17A. Okay, Shivani, read the question number 2, please. Good. Now, Sambhav, Saksham, tell me how many part of a quadrilateral is given now in this question number 2. How many parts are there? 4 parts? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 parts, yeah? Yes. Very good. The same construction. So see, PQRS here. This is, everyone draw this rough figure in classwork and do the proper construction in homework. Clear? So this is the rough figure. PQRS is the required quadrilateral, and one of the diagonal is given here in question number 2. This is PR. See, and now this is PQ. Where is PQ? It's 5.4 centimeter. 5.4 centimeter. QR is equal to 4.6 centimeter, and RS is equal to 4.3 centimeter. This is 3.5 centimeter, and this is 4 centimeter. Clear? This is the rough figure. Okay, and now Shivani, tell me, we start with, this is the same question as just we do in question number 1. So everyone write the step. This is the step. First you have to draw PR. This is 4 centimeter. Then second, take a radius of 3.5 centimeter. Everyone just write the number here, please. First make a rough figure and then write the number. First draw the PQR, which is equal to 4 centimeter. This is first part. Now the second, take a radius of 3.5, and from the P cut an arc of 3.5 centimeter. And then this is the third. Again take a radius of 4.3, put a compass on R, cut the previous arc, then we get S point. Now the fourth, take a radius of 5.4. From the P, we draw an arc, and the last fifth part is we take a radius of 4.6, we take a radius of 4.6 and cut the previous arc, that is Q, and join all the sides, then we get a required quadrilateral. ठीक है, ये नंबर्स सबने डाल लिए हैं इसमें, नंबर सबने डाल लिए हैं. सो आई वॉन्ट डोंट डू एनी एक्सपेरिमेंट नाउ. अभी जैसा मैं बता रहा हूं वैसा बनाओ. जब तुम सीख जाओगे तो यू आर एबल टू डू द एक्सपेरिमेंट कि फर्स्ट वी ड्रॉ द साइड, देन देन उसमें चेंजेस कर सकते हो. फर्स्ट यू ट्राई टू लर्न दिस एंड देन, क्योंकि कंस्ट्रक्शन है, कंस्ट्रक्शन अदर प्रोसेस इज ऑल्सो पॉसिबल. इट्स नॉट नेसेसरी टू एवरी टाइम ड्रॉ द डायगोनल. उसमें हम साइड भी बनाएंगे तो बन जाएगा ये कंस्ट्रक्शन. सो फर्स्ट डोंट डू एनी एक्सपेरिमेंट, जस्ट डू द सिंपल व्हाट आई टेल यू. ओके, इसीलिए स्टेप्स लिखा रहा हूँ. यू कैन कैरी ऑन द स्टेप्स प्लीज. ठीक है, सबने ही कर लिया. क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. ये होमवर्क में, ये तो रफ फिगर है. रफ फिगर मस्ट बी शोन इन क्लास वर्क एंड द प्रॉपर कंस्ट्रक्शन इन होमवर्क, बिकॉज दिस इज योर होमवर्क क्वेश्चन. No, it's not required. It's not required. While doing while doing a homework, you have to show the rough figure there, because without rough figure, I don't accept the original drawing. Clear? Because I want rough and the fair construction together. दोनों एक साथ चाहिए मुझे. और लास्ट में एक लाइन लिखनी है, द रिक्वायर्ड ट्राइंगल PQR इज कंस्ट्रक्टेड. क्लियर एवरीवन? कोई कंफ्यूजन है तो मुझे पूछ सकते हो. गुड, गुड, नाइस. तो अब रिया क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 पढ़ोगे. अब पता चला तुम्हें हम कहां पर कर रहे हैं. स्टॉप 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 स्टॉप. मैं पढ़ता हूं और सभी ध्यान से सुनो प्लीज. कंस्ट्रक्ट अ quadrilateral ABCD in which AB is equal to 3.5, BC is equal to 3.8, CD is equal to DA is equal to 4.5, and the diagonal is BD 5.6. Exactly the same construction is here. So I just want to change the name of this. Everyone can draw the rough figure and do by your own. और किसी को भी कोई दिक्कत होगी, प्लीज डोंट हेजिटेट टू आस्क मी. पूछने में शर्माना नहीं है, पूछना है कि सर मुझसे नहीं बना. इट्स ओके, आई डोंट केयर कि उससे नहीं बना तो मैं उसको दोबारा बता दूंगा. सेम, देयर इज अ क्वाड्रिलेटरल ABCD, A, B, C and D. Okay, and the diagonal is given here is a BD 5.6 centimeter, and now AB is 3.5 centimeter, BC is 3.8 centimeter, and now CD is equal to DA is equal to 4.5. This is 4.5 centimeter and this is also 4.5 centimeter. So just change the order, number change कर लो अपना खुद ही. और ये डिपेंडिंग, ये कोई ये इट्स नॉट कंपल्सरी कि यू हैव टू ड्रॉ फर्स्ट ए और फर्स्ट सी. वॉट एवर यू वॉन्ट टू ड्रॉ यू कैन ड्रॉ. नाउ सी, फर्स्ट वी हैव टू ड्रॉ द डायगोनल. ओके, देन anyone 2, then 3, then 4 and then 5. Clear everyone? बहुत आसान है और इंटरेस्टिंग है बहुत. When you are doing this construction with accurate measurement, बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग है. क्लियर है? इस रफ फिगर को सभी ड्रॉ कर लो. आई एम जस्ट वेटिंग कि यू कैन ड्रॉ, देन आफ्टर आई थिंक द क्लास टाइम इज ओवर. ड्रॉन एवरीवन प्लीज. तो क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 और 3 you have to do in homework. Tomorrow, I don't know about tomorrow, but after the मतलब next class we will start with question number 4. Okay. Bye bye. Take care, everyone. Bye.